when can a tyre be repaired? So I've just had a puncture today and I'm down at Point S in Queen's Park. Absolutely amazing, always look after me. But I'm going to quickly show you when a tyre can be repaired and when it can't. I'll show you on my car, I was about to show you on someone else's. And I'll get this confirmed by the guy that's actually fixing my tyre. If you get a puncture on the flat edge of the tyre, then that can be repaired. And you're looking at, I don't know, it depends on where you're getting it done, between 10 and 15 pounds. But if you get a puncture on the side of the wall of your tyre, and that is a new tyre. To confirm that?
Yeah, it's very true.
It's true.
In the edge cannot be repairable.
It's not safe.
Can explode. It needs to be a flat place, not like that.
Right, okay, so as long as that's flat, then you're okay. So there we go, so that just proves it. If you get it on the flat of the tyre, you can repair it, and if it's on the side of the tyre, then that definitely has to be replaced.